Most people fail their diet not because of lack of effort, but because of hidden mistakes. You might be eating clean yet still not seeing results because small habits are holding you back. From skipping meals to cutting entire food groups, these errors slow your progress silently. Today, we will uncover the 10 most common diet mistakes that ruin your health goals fast. Each mistake comes with a simple fix so you can start making progress from day one. These insights will help you stay consistent and understand your body's real needs deeply. Healthy eating is not about perfection, but about balance and awareness of every choice. Once you spot these common traps, you can finally build a diet that truly works for you. Like and subscribe if you are ready to take control of your nutrition and see real change. Let us dive in and fix the habits that have been stopping your transformation for too long. 1. Skipping meals hurts progress. Skipping meals might seem like a way to cut calories, but it actually slows your metabolism down. When you skip breakfast or lunch, your body goes into energy-saving mode and burns less fat daily. You end up feeling hungrier later and often overeat unhealthy snacks or large dinners unconsciously. Consistent eating helps balance blood sugar levels and keeps your metabolism working efficiently. The fix is to plan small, nutritious meals every 3 to 4 hours throughout your day consistently. Include protein, fiber, and healthy fats in every meal to stay full longer and reduce sudden cravings. Avoid long fasting gaps unless part of a structured plan guided by your health professional directly. 2. Overeating healthy foods. Eating only healthy foods can still lead to weight gain if you consume more calories than needed. Foods like nuts, avocado, and olive oil are nutritious but calorie-dense in small serving portions. Portion control matters even when the food is clean because calories still add up surprisingly fast. The fix is to measure portions using cups or a food scale until you develop natural awareness habits. Balance every meal with lean protein complex carbs and vegetables to manage hunger and calories. Avoid grazing or eating straight from containers since it leads to unintentional overeating daily. 3. Drinking calories without realizing it. Liquid calories from juices, sodas, lattes, and even smoothies can sabotage your progress quickly. These drinks often contain more sugar than a dessert, leading to energy spikes and crashes later. Even fruit smoothies can add up with excess calories when blended with syrup or sweet yogurt. The fix is to prioritize water, green tea, or black coffee and keep sugary drinks for rare occasions. If you enjoy smoothies, use unsweetened milk and fresh fruits without added syrups or sweeteners. Read beverage labels carefully and avoid anything with high fructose corn syrup or hidden sugars. Drinking calories adds no fullness, but increases total daily intake, making fat loss difficult overall. 4. Ignoring protein intake. Many people undereat protein without realizing it and end up losing muscle instead of fat entirely. Protein supports metabolism, muscle repair, and fullness, making it crucial in every meal and snack. When you lack protein, cravings increase, and it becomes harder to stick to your diet over time. The fix is to include a protein source like chicken, fish, eggs, beans, or Greek yogurt in every meal. Aim for 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, depending on your fitness goals specifically. Protein helps preserve lean muscle, which boosts calorie burning even while resting throughout the day. Plant-based eaters can combine sources like lentils, tofu, and quinoa to meet protein requirements. 5. Cutting out all carbs. Carbs are not your enemy. They are your body's primary energy source, especially for active lifestyles. Eliminating all carbohydrates can lead to fatigue, irritability, and poor workout performance quickly. The fix is to choose quality carbs like oats, quinoa, brown rice, and sweet potatoes for steady energy. Avoid refined carbs like white bread pastries and sugary cereals that cause insulin spikes and crashes. Timing matters. Eat most carbs around workouts when your body needs extra fuel and recovery support. Combine carbs with protein and fiber to slow digestion and keep blood sugar stable throughout the day. Do not fear fruit as it contains essential nutrients, fiber, and natural sugars beneficial for energy. Restricting carbs too much can backfire, causing binge eating or slowed metabolism over time. 6. Eating too little fat. Low-fat diets became popular, but your body needs healthy fats for hormones and nutrient absorption. Avoiding all fats leads to dry skin, low energy, and poor focus due to missing essential fatty acids. The fix is to include sources like avocado, olive oil, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish in your daily diet. Fats slow digestion, keeping you full longer and preventing overeating from sudden hunger crashes. They also help absorb vitamins A, D, E, and K, which are vital for body repair and immune health daily. Avoid trans fats found in fried foods and processed snacks that increase bad cholesterol and risk. Instead, use small amounts of cold-pressed oils in cooking or dressings for flavor and nutrition. 7. Not drinking enough water. Dehydration slows metabolism and increases hunger because thirst is often mistaken for food cravings. Water is essential for digestion, detoxification, and nutrient transport throughout your entire body. The fix is to drink at least 8 glasses a day or more, depending on your activity and climate. Start your morning with a glass of water before coffee to wake your system and boost metabolism early. Carry a refillable bottle everywhere to remind yourself to sip water consistently during the day. Flavor water naturally with lemon, cucumber, or mint to make it enjoyable without adding sugar. Drinking water before meals also helps control portion sizes and prevents overeating unconsciously. 8. Relying on quick-fix diets. Crash diets promise fast results but lead to burnout, nutrient loss, and rebound weight gain quickly. Your body needs steady, sustainable nutrition, not extreme deprivation or sudden restrictive changes. The fix is to adopt balanced habits, focusing on whole foods rather than chasing trendy diet plans. Gradual progress allows your metabolism to adjust safely without triggering hunger or fatigue spikes. Consistency and patience are more effective than cutting entire food groups for short-term results. Fad diets teach nothing about maintenance, leaving you confused when the plan eventually ends. Instead, build lifelong habits like portion control, mindful eating, and regular physical activity daily. 9. Ignoring sleep and stress. Even the best diet fails when sleep is poor and stress hormones are constantly high in the body. Lack of sleep increases hunger hormones and decreases willpower, leading to poor food choices daily. Stress triggers cravings for sugar and comfort foods, making weight management difficult overall. The fix is to get 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep and practice relaxation techniques regularly. Meditation, journaling, or evening walks can reduce stress and improve your overall diet consistency. Cortisol management supports fat loss, muscle recovery, and mental clarity throughout your daily life. Avoid late-night eating since it affects digestion and interferes with deep sleep restoration cycles. 10. Neglecting long-term consistency. Diet success depends not on perfection, but on your ability to stay consistent through ups and downs. Many people quit when progress slows, forgetting that real change takes time and small adjustments. The fix is to set realistic goals, track your progress, and celebrate every step toward better health. Do not start extreme plans that you cannot sustain. Instead, focus on flexible, lifelong nutrition. Small, consistent habits compound into results that last far longer than crash diets ever could. Embrace balance, allowing yourself treats occasionally without guilt or self-criticism each week. Stay patient because lasting body transformation happens slowly, but remains permanent with effort. Remind yourself why you started and focus on how great you feel rather than only weight numbers. Long-term success means eating well, moving regularly, and respecting your body every single day. When consistency becomes habit, you achieve health results that stay for a lifetime without struggle. Now you know the 10 biggest diet mistakes and exactly how to fix each one effectively. If you apply these corrections, you will notice better energy and visible results faster. Your diet should make you feel strong, satisfied, and in control of your health every day. Keep learning from your body and make small, consistent adjustments that add up over time. Awareness and balance are your best tools for long-term sustainable transformation always. Like and subscribe for more nutrition breakdowns, fitness advice, and real lifestyle guidance. Comment below and share which diet mistake you realized you were making before today. Stay mindful of what fuels you, because health starts with the smallest daily decisions. Thank you for watching and being part of this journey towards smarter, healthier living. Stay motivated, stay educated, and keep growing stronger with every meal you choose.